that $100 bill in your pocket. Most people see it as a nice dinner, a new shirt, or a few nights of streaming services. They see an expense. But what if I told you it's not an expense? It's a seed. A seed that, if planted correctly, can grow into a forest of wealth. The tragic mistake isn't being broke, it's staying broke because you misused the very tools that could set you free. Step number 1 is the mindset metamorphosis. You must stop seeing that $100 as money. From this moment on, it is your first employee. Its only job is to go out into the world and come back with more money. You are not spending it. You are deploying it. This isn't just wordplay. It's a fundamental shift that separates the consumer from the creator of wealth. Your $100 is no longer for consumption. It's for conquest. Principle number 2. Acquire a growth engine. Forget stocks and crypto for now. That's for later. Your first $100 should buy you an asset that generates cash flow or a skill that increases your earning power. Buy a set of sought-after books to resell online for a profit. Buy a window cleaning kit and serve your neighbors. Buy a high-value online course on a skill like copywriting. You're buying a machine, not a meal. Wait, a window cleaning kit. That's not glamorous. You're right, it's not. But you know what is glamorous? Financial freedom. The person who scoffs at washing a window for $20 is the same person who will be stuck complaining about their paycheck in 10 years. The choice between looking rich and actually becoming rich starts right here, with this simple, unglamorous decision. Step number 3. Weaponize compounding. Albert Einstein supposedly called it the 8th wonder of the world. Here's why. Your $100 invested in your growth engine makes you $20 profit. Do not touch that profit. Now you have $120 to deploy. That $120 makes you $24. Now you have $144. It's a snowball. It starts small, but the longer you let it roll, the more unstoppable it becomes. Principle number 4 is the art of the scale. Once your initial engine is working, you pour every single cent of profit back into it to make it bigger. One window cleaning client becomes 10. Flipping one book becomes a whole inventory. The skill you learned from that course now lands you a freelance client. This is the critical phase where discipline forges dynasties. You are not taking profits. You are feeding the beast until it's big enough to feed you for life. If you're ready to start building, I want you to make a public vow. Comment, "I am a builder," below. It's not for me, it's for you. And to get a new blueprint like this every single day, to relentlessly train your mind for success, hit subscribe and ring that bell. This isn't just a channel, it's your daily training ground. Don't miss a session. Remember, it was never about the $100. It was about the principles you applied to it, the focus, the discipline, the vision. Speaking of brilliant minds who master principles, if you want to sharpen your own powers of deduction, click the video on your screen now. We're starting a journey into the mind of the master himself with Sherlock Holmes, The Case of the Crimson Bloom. Your training continues there,